Welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. Here we have tutting combo number 3. Alright, are you ready for this? This one's going to be a little bit harder, but you got this. Here we go. Starting from here. This is going to be 1, 1, 2, and then from here 3, 4. So you're just mirroring that, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you're going to slide over with your right. 5, okay, 5, turn 6, okay, and make sure there's a box there, and then turn the other one. 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then from here you're going to slide out 1, and make sure your elbow connects to your wrist and make a straight line going out, and then boom, put it behind your back. Alright, how did I do that? I just went here, here. So I went here, boom, just tuck it right there and make sure your elbow is pointing straight. One more time from the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And this one is all it's doing is looking at you. Alright, here, here. Okay, 1, 2, and then you're gonna go 3, 4, and then drop down 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, turn, 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 and then slide, 2, go, 3, 4, slide, down, over, up, back. Okay, from the top again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's how it is with a normal speed. And then from here, you're gonna do one of these things where the wrist is gonna fix point. The wrist is gonna go around this fixed point right here. So your wrist is going to go in a circle and end up right here. Okay, so it's like whoop, boom, like that. So around here. Meanwhile, this is going, whoosh, it's drawing that circle. Okay, using the wrist, you're drawing that circle here. And notice as I draw it and I run out of space, this ends up out here. Okay, so this one, what it looks like, it's just tucked behind. It's gonna go whoop, boom, circle, boom, and then left hand over your right shoulder. Okay, from the top, boom, boom, here, here, slide, turn, 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 slide, here, turn, down, slide, slide, 7, 8, and then from here you're gonna go 1, 2. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. All right, this ends up down here in this little bottom of the corner of the square, while this is just on your shoulder. You're gonna go 3, so this is just going sliding up the diagonal. 3, 4, continue that diagonal, and then go back down. Okay, so from here you went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flip it on 8. Okay, so all you're doing is flipping 8, and then grab your face on 1, bring it down and out to here. Okay, this is just going like this. This is just going down and out. Okay, you're doing it at the same time. It's like a thread. You bring it up, pull it out. Okay, and then from here you're gonna close, open, down, down. Okay, so right, left, head down. And that's the end of that combo. I'm gonna do it again from the very top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam. That's tutting combo on number 3. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me on how to do it, and I will try my best to help you out. Keep on practicing, and peace out. Peace and practice.